Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 7 for CBSE Board, chapter number 8 Trigonometry. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 8.4, question number 3 of question number 3 2. Sin 25 cos 65 plus cos 25 into sin 65. Find the value of this. Solution. Sin 25. So given sin 25 into cos 65 plus cos 25 into sin 65. So these are complementary angles. Convert sin 25 into cos 90 minus 25 degree plus cos 25 into sin 90 minus 25. So sin 25 into sin 25 plus cos 25 into cos 25. Sin 25 into sin 25 is equal to sin square 25 plus cos square 25 and is equal to 1. Identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here both the angles are same and therefore is equal to 1. Okay. Question number 4. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a is equal to, and here some options are given. Solution. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a is equal to 9. Here you take 9 common, into bracket sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 9 into bracket for sec square a write down 1 plus tan square a minus tan square a. Tan square a get cancelled. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So here identity sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So option B. Number 2. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into bracket 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to, options are given. Solution. Try to understand solution. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Now this you convert into basic ratio sin theta, okay, and cos theta. So 1 plus tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. In second bracket 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta minus 1 upon sin theta. Simplify this. So you add all this, add all this. So denominator is cos theta. So cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, and here denominator is sin theta. So sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta. Then simplify this. So this is equal to, now this you observe properly and write down this sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta together and sin theta plus cos theta together. So this is equal to, here I use algebraic identity cos theta plus sin theta square minus 1 upon sin theta into cos theta, and is equal to, this you expand cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta minus 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. And now you know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 get cancelled and this is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta cos theta. So 1 get cancelled and is equal to 2 sin theta upon cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. This and this get cancelled and is equal to 2. So your option is C. Okay. Question number 3. sec A plus tan A is equal to 1 minus sin A, and some options are given here. Okay, now sec A plus tan A into bracket 1 minus sin A is equal to, so always you remember, try to what further proceed further, you have to convert the given ratios. Okay, generally you try to this convert these ratios into basic ratios, and basic ratios are sine and cos. So I convert this sec A is equal to 1 upon cosec A plus tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A into bracket 1 minus sin A, and then you simplify this. So as this denominator is cos A, so 1 plus sin A into bracket 1 minus sin A. So 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square A upon cos A, and again 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A, identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and therefore cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So for this you substitute cos square A upon cos A. So cos A, 1 cos A get cancelled, and your answer is cos A. So option D. Okay. Question number 4. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to, and these are options given. Okay. Now 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equal to, 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square theta, identity. Similarly 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square theta, cosec square A, identity. So this is convert this into basic ratio 1 upon cos square theta into sin square A. So sin square A upon cos square A is equal to tan square A. So your option is D. Okay. Question number 5. Prove that the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expression are defined. Okay. Number 1. Cosec theta minus cot theta square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So left hand side is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta square is equal to 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta bracket square, expand. So simplify this. So denominator is equal, simply you add numerator 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta square. Now this is equal to 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta upon sin square theta. So now 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, identity by identity, and again this you convert into 2 bracket 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta get cancelled, and is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, and hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. Question number 2. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Okay. Left hand side is equal to cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. So you add this, simplify. So my denominator is cos A into 1 plus sin A. I multiply by cos A here and this by here. So this is equal to cos square A plus 1 plus sin square A. So this expansion. So this is cos square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A plus sin square A. Okay. and now this cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. So this is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sin a upon cos a into bracket 1 minus sin a. Here you take 2 common. So 2 into bracket 1 plus sin a upon cos a into bracket 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a get cancelled and is equal to 2 upon cos a. That is 2 into 1 upon cos a, and 1 upon cos a is equal to sec a. So left hand side is equal to 2 sec a, and hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.